Welcome to the ultimate guide to Australia's new anti-money laundering laws. We are Lead AML and will guide on your upcoming AML obligations.
Right now, there are large gaps in Australia's financial system that professional money laundering organisations use to inflict harm. To close these gaps, the Australian government passed the AML CTF Amendment Bill, expanding regulations to new, high-risk industries. If you are a real estate professional, an accountant, a lawyer, a conveyancer, a trust and company service provider, or a dealer in precious metals and stones, your business will be regulated by AUSTRAC starting the 1st of July 2026.
Today, we are going to break down exactly what you must do to prepare.
The foundation of your compliance is your AML CTF program. This is a legally required, documented framework tailored specifically to your business. It contains two main parts. Don't delay registering yourself with AUSTRAC.
First is your risk assessment. You must formally identify and assess your money laundering and terrorism financing risks. This means looking at the specific services you provide, the types of clients you take on, and how you deliver your services. Second are your AML CTF policies. These are the actual procedures, systems, and controls you implement to manage and mitigate those risks. This entire program must be documented, approved by a senior manager, and kept up to date. You cannot do this alone. Your AML program must have a clear governance structure featuring three key roles. The governing body has primary responsibility for executive decisions. The senior manager approves key compliance decisions. Finally, the AML CTF Compliance Officer manages the day-to-day compliance and ensures your policies are actually implemented. In smaller businesses, one person may hold multiple roles. You must also protect your business from the inside out. You are required to conduct personnel due diligence to assess the integrity and expertise of your staff, and you must provide ongoing AML training so your team knows how to spot red flags. Before you provide a regulated service, you must know exactly who you are dealing with. This is called Customer Due Diligence, or CDD. You must establish and verify the identity of your customer, their representatives, and any ultimate beneficial owners of the business or trust. You must also screen these individuals against targeted financial sanctions lists, which prevents you from dealing with sanctioned assets. Additionally, you must check if your client is a politically exposed person, or PEP. These are individuals holding prominent public positions, or their close associates, who require enhanced due diligence due to higher corruption risks. Customer due diligence isn't a one-time event. You must monitor your clients and update their risk profiles throughout your relationship. A critical part of your new legal obligations is reporting to AUSTRAC. First, you must file a Threshold Transaction Report, or TTR, for any transaction involving physical cash of $10,000 or more. Second, you must file a Suspicious Matter Report, or SMR, if you suspect a person is not who they claim to be, or if you have information relevant to criminal activity. This includes red flags like unexplained wealth, the use of dummy directors to hide ownership, or unusual requests to rush transactions. But a vital warning: it is a serious legal offense to commit tipping off. You must never let a customer know you find their behavior suspicious or that you are reporting them to AUSTRAC. If it isn't documented, it didn't happen. You are legally required to make and keep accurate compliance records for at least 7 years. This includes your customer due diligence files, transaction records, and staff training logs. Furthermore, your AML CTF program cannot just sit on a shelf. It must be independently evaluated at least once every 3 years to ensure it is actually working. We know that preparing for the July 2026 Tranche 2 deadline sounds incredibly overwhelming, but that is exactly why Lead AML exists. We provide practical, implementation-focused consulting, program creation, and a cloud-based compliance tool designed specifically for small to medium-sized businesses. We handle the heavy lifting of risk assessments, customer screening, and reporting workflows so you can focus on running your business. Don't wait until it's too late. Head to leadaml.com right now to download your free industry-specific AML guide or book a free 15-minute consultation to find out exactly what your business needs to do next. Let's get AML done right.